tried other products as well, Trident, Orca, but then we've come upon Surfacelogix, and the product was consistent, it was reliable, and it was cost effective too. That was a huge thing. And then whenever we needed somebody, the sales rep was always there for us, and we just fell in love. It's a product that we will be loyal to. I mean, it's not even just paver sealing. We do a post-construction cleanup, especially in this area. We do have a lot of rust from irrigation stains or even furniture stains. So we're gonna use cobalt oxide to remove the rust stains. With our post-construction cleanups, we do have a restaurant out in Panama City Beach, and they use a lot of petroleum oil, grease, kitchen oil as well, and we're gonna use Cobalt Clean for that. Cobalt Prep is a great product to use for on pavers that are less than 5 years old to remove the efflorescence, and it's another phenomenal product. So it's a well-rounded company for us to use multiple different type of products to do all our services with.